Hey guys, welcome back to our channel again. And I was thinking, we've covered some stuff starting in early February that was kind of deep learning. We made about probably 10, 12 learning photos, and then we did some other types of photos after that. And I thought today is something people might could use, whether you've been shooting for a week or 20-something years, doesn't matter. I think sometimes it's fun to just go out with your camera, break the rules, have some fun, and let it go where it goes. And then when you get to editing, kick it in high gear and make it look crazy. And the thing is, you're just having fun. So I'm going to show them to you guys. Some of you might like them, some of you might hate them. That's all good. I was just doing it for fun for me, because sometimes we get too carried away. I got to be just too technical with this, or I just got to be perfect with this. Throw it all to the wind sometimes. Just go have some fun. So I took my wife and I took a camera, a lens, and a flash that I'm not going to tell you what it was yet, because I want you guys to guess toward the end. So I think you're going to have an interesting guess of what camera this will be. I'll give you about 5 or 6 choices. I won't make you guess from all the cameras in the world, but I'll narrow it down for you in the bottom. On the top of in the comments, you'll be able to see a list of choices. Just put A, B, C, D, E, whatever, how many's in there, to guess which one it is, and just for fun. But I had a lot of fun shooting it. I got out some different gears I hadn't got out very much. It's great gear. I love it. And I thought, why do I not ever grab this? So I grabbed I love the camera I was using. The lens on it was amazing. It's not even that expensive of a lens. And then my editing, you guys, some of you are going to like the editing, and some of you are probably going to hate it. But that's okay, because like I said, I was just having fun. So let's have a little fun with this video. So let me show you these pictures. I'm just going to run them through, let you look at them, and then we'll come back and talk about it. Well, there you go, guys. That is my crazy photo shoot where we got some crazy editing, and I just thought it was fun. It's nice to relax, and this world we live in is so filled with stress and so much going on that, if you can't have fun with a camera and you like camera, I know some of you guys have been doing this. This is my 43rd year, and it was time to just go have a little fun instead of having to do everything for a big company shoot or this important model shoot or an important shoot for an affiliate or whatever. Nothing against those. I love those. They make money. But I just thought, I wanted to have some fun. So that's what we did. I have no idea what I'm going to title this video. We went to have some fun. I have no idea what I'm going to title it. But anyway, guys, I thought they looked kind of cool. I mean, all we did was, shoot a few pictures. I'm going to show you what I did. So go ahead and guess down at the bottom. There'll be an A, a B, a C, and a D. And beside it, just put A, B, C, or D in the box and guess. And if you win, I'll give you a big thumbs up. But anyway, guys, I had fun taking them. We had fun doing them. And I hope some of them I thought you lost. I'm hoping that you liked a few of them. We'll see. So anyway, I had fun making them, but go ahead and make your guess on what camera it was, and good luck to you. And like I said, we were just having fun. So the point of this video, guys, is don't take everything so serious. Just shake it all off sometime. Turn off the news. Turn off everything in your brain. Grab your camera. Go have some fun. And then come back, have some fun with the editing. But here's the camera that I used. I used my Lumix G9 Mark II along with the Godox IT32. This little lens right here. And it's got the cool menu on the back. And that's what we did. We just put this little flash on a micro four thirds camera, and we went to town shooting, and then I brought them back and edited them crazy, and we had some fun. So if you guessed G9 Mark II, and also the lens we used was the Leica 25mm, which makes it a 50. So the complete setup was the Lumix G9 Mark II micro four thirds camera with the Lumix 25mm, which makes it a 50mm in full frame land. And then the flash was the Godox IT30. And that is all we used outside to accomplish that photo shoot. And then, you know, I jumped in and did some editing just a little bit. Anyway, I appreciate it, guys. Sometimes we take things a little serious, so I thought I would just have a light video for you this week. I hope you guys have a great week. There's so much going on. I think, heck, I'd just make a fun video for everybody. So just take a deep breath. Everything's going to be fine. Just enjoy it. Take your camera out and just go shoot something crazy. If somebody don't like it, how bad does it hurt you? Doesn't cost you anything. So don't take it serious. Enjoy it. As long as you enjoy it and you like it, that's what counts. So anyway, I appreciate your time, guys. Go have a good time and leave me some comments. Just don't be too mean to me. I appreciate it. You guys have a great day. Thanks.